The quest to shape the country's next electoral leadership entered a critical phase as the Independent Electoral and Boundaries Commission selection panel wrapped up its 14th day of interviews. 3 more candidates faced the panel at the College of Insurance in South Sea, each hoping to secure a seat as IEBC Commissioner with integrity, experience and a vision for electoral transparency at the center of their pitches. Chumba reports.
On day 14 of the ongoing IEBC Commissioner interviews, the selection panel chaired by Dr. Nelson Makanda sat down with 3 more candidates, each bringing a unique background to the race for a seat at the country's top electoral body. First on the hot seat, Kennedy Kaunda Abuga, the Director of Legal Services, Communications and Security at the Central Bank of Kenya. Having served under 5 CBK governors, Abuga told the panel he will prioritize strengthening the code of conduct for commissioners if appointed.
So what will you do if given an opportunity at IEBC?
I believe IEBC has about commission charter or code of conduct for commissioners. We will need to have that reviewed and strengthened. If they don't have a commissioner's charter, that will need to be put in place immediately.
Next up, Leonard Njenga, a seasoned elections expert with over 20 years of experience, including 15 as a senior officer at the IEBC. Njenga faced tough questions from the panel on his decision to leapfrog several positions in the hierarchy and aim straight for a commissioner role.
What is driving Leonard Njenga not to seek that progression, but instead jump to the commissioner?
The existing policy does not align to career progression, which is a serious gap. And apparently, I will tell you, there are even many qualified, even overqualified at my cadre, better than what you have up there.
Wrapping up the week's interviews was 49-year-old Martin Mongai Ndungu, an ICT national trainer at the Center for Mathematics, Science and Technology Education in Africa, Semastea.
We have developed a very crucial workforce in this country in terms of young people who are techno-savvy to help us in solving some of these issues that we have.
Ndungu laid out his priority to demystify the opening of election servers, proposing real-time transparency by granting access to presidential candidates' agents from the moment results are transmitted.
As an IT expert, you are saying that the only reason we are having a challenge with the server is because the law right now restricts it.
Yes.
And therefore, if Adam's law is to be finally satisfied, just go and change the law and there'll be the server results and the Form 34 results.
Yeah, to the best of my knowledge. Yeah.
Thank you very much.
The interviews continue next week, with the selection process expected to conclude on April 24th. Chumba, Easy Friday.